Your smartphone is about to disappear, and AI will replace it. What you're holding right now will look like a calculator compared to what's coming. The shift is already underway, and by 2026, the device in your pocket will work in ways that make today's phones feel primitive. We're not talking about a faster processor or a better camera sensor. We're talking about a fundamental change in what a smartphone actually is. In this video, you're going to discover 10 AI technologies that will change smartphones forever. A phone that thinks for you. A camera that edits reality while you're still recording. A device that predicts your next move before you make it. These aren't science fiction concepts. They're being built right now by real companies with real money on real timelines. Stay until number 10 because that one changes everything you assumed about where technology is headed. For the last 15 years, smartphones have been communication tools. You call, you text, you scroll. AI is turning that into something closer to a second brain, a device that learns you, adapts to you, and works for you without being asked. The smartphone era is ending. The AI personal device era is starting. Let's get into the first one. Technology number 1, AI personal operating system. Right now, your phone runs identically for every person on the planet. Same app grid, same notification system, same setting structure. That's going away. Companies like Google and Apple are already building AI layers into their operating systems. Google's Android AI and Apple's on-device intelligence features are early versions of what becomes a full personal OS by 2026. These systems study your specific habits, your daily schedule, your preferences, and your patterns. Then rebuild the phone's entire interface around you specifically. Your most used apps surface at the right moment. Notifications get filtered before they reach you. Your calendar, reminders, and messages get organized by a system that has studied how you actually live. Think about your Monday morning routine. Your phone already knows you check email first, then your calendar, then the news. An AI personal OS has everything queued up before your alarm finishes. The phone stops waiting for you to open it. It's already prepared for what you need next. Technology number 2, predictive AI assistant. This goes much further than anything Siri or Google Assistant does today. Those tools respond. Predictive AI anticipates. Microsoft's Copilot and Google's Gemini are already moving in this direction, with systems that study behavior patterns to get ahead of requests. You wake up and your phone has already drafted a reply to last night's email based on how you typically respond. It suggests a call to a contact at the exact moment context makes it relevant. It knows you're about to search for directions and has them ready before you open the app. In a real test scenario, users with early predictive AI tools reported cutting their daily phone interaction time by nearly 30% because the phone was handling routine tasks before they were asked. The response time drops to 0 because the AI is always one step ahead. Now that we've seen how AI changes the way your phone thinks, let's talk about how it changes the way your phone sees. Technology number 3, real-time AI camera. Photography is about to change completely. AI cameras in 2026 will reshape the world while you're recording it. Samsung's Galaxy AI features and Google's Magic Eraser are early hints, but they work after the fact. What's coming works live. Objects you don't want in the frame disappear in real time. Backgrounds swap out while the video is still rolling. Lighting conditions that would normally ruin a shot get corrected as you're capturing it. Augmented reality layers on top of live footage without any post-processing. Qualcomm has already demonstrated on-device AI that processes camera data at over 10 trillion operations per second, fast enough to rebuild a scene in real time. You point the camera at a crowded beach and the strangers vanish. You're still recording. The camera becomes a creative tool, not just a lens pointed at the world. Technology number 4, AI voice clone system. This one carries real power and real risk. Companies like 11 Labs and Microsoft have already demonstrated voice cloning accurate enough to fool trained listeners. On a smartphone, that means your phone can make calls on your behalf, handle routine conversations, leave voicemails, and answer incoming calls using your actual voice. You're in a meeting, someone calls, your AI picks up and handles it in your voice. The convenience is obvious. The danger is equally obvious. The FBI has already issued warnings about deepfake audio fraud, and cases of voice cloning scams have cost victims millions of dollars globally. This technology will force new legal standards around consent and identity verification. It's one of the most powerful and most complicated tools on this list. Technology number 5. Smart Memory AI. How many times have you tried to find something you saw on your phone weeks ago and couldn't locate it? A video, an article, a screenshot, a message. Smart Memory AI solves this completely. Microsoft's recall feature, despite its rocky early rollout, showed exactly where this is going. The system indexes everything you've ever seen, read, or interacted with on your device, and you can retrieve any of it with a plain question. You ask, "What was that productivity video I watched last Tuesday?" And it pulls it up instantly. Research from Stanford suggests people spend an average of 20 minutes per day refinding information they already accessed once. Smart Memory AI eliminates that entirely. Your phone becomes a searchable record of your entire digital life. You're halfway through this list. The first 5 technologies change how your phone thinks, sees, and remembers. The next 5 change how you physically interact with it, how it understands you as a person, and ultimately, what it even is. Stay with me, because number 10 is the one that pulls all of this together into something most people aren't ready for. Technology number 6. Zero-touch interface. Touching a screen is becoming optional. Eye tracking, voice commands, and gesture recognition are combining into a hands-free control system. Apple's Vision Pro already demonstrated what eye-tracking interaction feels like at a high level, and that technology is moving into smartphones. Meta and Snap are investing heavily in gesture-based interfaces for their next generation of devices. You look at a notification and it expands. You glance at a button and it activates. You wave your hand to dismiss something. For accessibility, this is a significant step forward. For everyone else, it's a fundamentally different relationship with the device. The phone responds to you through attention and motion, not taps on glass. Technology number 7. AI Real-Time Translator. Language barriers on phone calls are going away. Google's real-time translation in Google Meet and Apple's live translation features are functional but still rough around the edges. By 2026, the accuracy and speed will be good enough for live voice calls with no noticeable delay. You speak in English, the person on the other end hears Vietnamese. They respond and you hear it in English. No app switching, no typing, no pausing mid-sentence. For international business, this removes friction that costs companies real time and money. For families split across different countries, it changes daily communication entirely. The phone becomes a bridge between languages that could never connect this easily before. Technology number 8. AI Battery Optimizer. Battery anxiety is one of the most persistent frustrations with smartphones. A fixed power system drains the same way regardless of what you're doing. An AI optimizer watches your usage in real time, identifies apps running in the background with no real benefit, predicts when you'll need maximum power versus when the phone can run lean, and adjusts everything dynamically. Qualcomm's AI-based power management research has shown efficiency gains of up to 50% in controlled tests. Some early AI-managed systems have demonstrated battery life extending significantly, in some cases, doubling effective usage time on a single charge. The phone learns your day and manages its energy around it. Technology number 9. Emotional AI detection. Your phone is going to read how you feel. Using camera input, voice tone analysis, typing speed, and usage patterns, emotional AI detects your mental state and adjusts the phone's behavior in response. Affectiva, a company that pioneered emotion AI, has already proven that facial microexpressions can be read with over 90% accuracy through a standard camera. On a smartphone, the system picks up stress and reduces notification frequency, dims visual intensity, clears the screen. It detects low mood and the interface softens, content gets filtered, Music suggestions shift. When you're focused and energized, it gets out of your way. The privacy questions this raises are serious, and regulators in the EU are already examining emotional data as a protected category. But the technology is being tested on real devices right now. Technology number 10. Full AI phone replacement. Everything in this video points toward one destination, a device where traditional apps no longer exist. Humane's AI Pin and the Rabbit R1 were early, flawed attempts at this idea, but they prove the concept has real demand. You open your phone, and there's no grid of icons. There's just an AI. You tell it what you want done, and it does it. Book a flight? Done. Order dinner? Done. Write an email, research a topic, manage your finances, schedule your week. All of it handled through conversation with an AI agent that has access to every service you use. Sam Altman of OpenAI has said publicly that the app model is going to collapse within this decade, replaced by AI agents that operate across services on your behalf. The App Store model, the icon grid, the manual navigation through menus, all of it replaced by a single intelligent interface. You stop using apps, you talk to your phone, and your phone handles the rest. By 2026, the device in your pocket will have crossed a line that changes what it fundamentally is. The phone you use today is a powerful tool. What's coming is closer to an extension of your mind. It knows your habits, predicts your needs, speaks your language, reads your mood, and acts on your behalf. The gap between those two things is enormous, and we're crossing it faster than most people realize. IDC projects that by 2027, over 60% of all smartphones shipped globally will have dedicated on-device AI processors built in. The infrastructure is already being laid. The smartphone era put the world in your hands. What comes next puts intelligence there. Which AI technology shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of every major tech shift coming in the next few years, subscribe to NTV Technology. We cover this before it hits the mainstream. And if this video got your mind running, the next one goes even further. We're breaking down the iPhone 2030 concept that almost nobody believes is real yet. You'll want to see that one.